There are two major goals with which IIIT Hyderabad was set up. First, it was set up as a research university. It's a place where people should be able to do research, faculty should be able to imagine new ideas, students should be able to innovate, and in that process generate new products, new applications, new systems which can go out and be useful to society. Along with that, it also has another goal, to create a sense of humanistic values, a sense of service to society among its students. So, education which is not just technology oriented, but which is holistic. And to achieve both these objectives, several things were put in place in IIIT Hyderabad. It was decided that the undergraduate program will promote research and innovation. So, a whole set of courses and projects that were designed such that the students will be able to exercise their creativity, think of new ideas, and so on. Similarly, of course, at the level of masters and PhD, where the main goal is to do research and produce new ideas, new understanding about the technology, about information technology, which includes computer science, electronics, and also other application areas. So, IT as it connects with other areas, and therein we took in things like remote sensing, computational linguistics, the sciences, computational science, computational physics, computational chemistry, biology, bioinformatics, and also computational linguistics. Along with that, we also introduced humanities. So, the idea is that the research that gets done connects IT with whole set of areas that are useful to society. And in that environment, the students also gain a larger understanding of the whole knowledge and what role they can play in society. Right at the undergraduate level itself, as I was mentioning, the curriculum stresses projects and what we call as the B.Tech honors program, where an undergraduate chooses a stream, and in that stream he or she may choose to work deeply and produce research, and research which gets published, or produce products which can then be developed and become real products in the real world. At the same time, the undergraduate curriculum itself has a large set of humanities courses, and the idea is we become complete man when we have a larger understanding of the society, of the family, and of the individual, because we want IIIT students to be leaders and not just technologists. So, to be a leader, you have to understand the technology and do lot more. So, this would provide the base on which our students will be able to stand for the rest of their life. As part of the humanities, we introduced courses in human values, which really relate to character, which relate to identifying what our own goals are and how we can have harmonious living, harmony in oneself, harmony in family, harmony in the society, and harmony with nature. And today, if you look at the world today and the kind of problems we are facing, somehow we have underplayed or ignored this aspect in education. So, this needs to be part of education, entire education system, and for all branches, all areas, and not just technology. But we thought that we would do our role, our work in the technology area, and this has really led to students who are more reflective, who think, who are able to think. And what this does is it adds to creativity, because once you have the larger picture and you are trying to solve a problem, and it might be a technology problem, but then you look for solutions which are out of the ordinary, which are extraordinary, and you are able to do that only when you understand the larger picture. So, on one hand you become a good innovator, you become a good researcher, on the other hand you become a good human being. After all, the goal of education is to develop the potential human being in each one of us to its highest level. So, IIIT as it moves forward, having built this base is going to work on top of it. It is exploring new areas, it is exploring particularly areas which are very important for our societies, and taking problems from the society and linking those problems with what is called as disciplinary research. So, if you are in the discipline of computer science, there are disciplinary problems, but when you connect with the real world, there are societal or real world problems. So, the two need to get connected. The disciplinary knowledge gets used for solving societal problems, and that is the strength on which IIIT is building, and as it moves ahead, it will continue to move forward in this direction and will identify new areas, and of course, in its students, it will build that spirit of innovation, that humanistic values and courage to act based on one's values. Thank you.